Long ago, monkey was powerful. Monkey wake up with sunrise. Monkey climb. Monkey hunt. Monkey build. Strong body, clear mind, clear purpose. Life was simple. Effort meant survival. Then one day, a glowing screen appeared. Small, bright, endless pleasure, easy entertainment, easy distraction. Monkey tap once, just curiosity. Monkey tap twice, only a minute, monkey say. Minutes become hours, hours become days. Monkey still sitting. Now, monkey feels strange, body weak, mind tired, focus gone. Monkey feels busy, but produces nothing. Monkey wonders, why no motivation? Why no discipline? Monkey thinks something is wrong, but nothing is wrong with monkey. Monkey is overstimulated. Monkey brain is ancient. Monkey brain loves reward. Screens give reward without effort. So monkey brain says, why work harder? This is not laziness. This is biology. Scientists studied this. 2 groups of monkeys, 2 rooms. Room A, temptation visible but forbidden. Room B, temptation allowed. Later, both groups get a hard task. Results? Room B monkeys worked longer. Room A monkeys quit faster. Why? Room A monkeys spent all energy resisting temptation. Scientists call this ego depletion. Self-control is fuel. Fuel is limited. Big lesson here. Monkey does not need more motivation. Monkey needs better environment. Monkey opens social media. Monkey see distracting content. Monkey does not fight it. Monkey removes it. Monkey unfollow. Monkey mute. Monkey scroll past. No like, no save, no comment. Monkey trains the algorithm. Algorithm learns. Same rule everywhere. Phone in bed, monkey loses focus. Phone far away, monkey wins. Environment decides behavior, not motivation. Now listen carefully. The energy wasted on distraction is not bad energy. It is unused power. Same power can build strength. Same power can build skill. Same power can build future. Energy is neutral. Direction matters. So what should monkey do? Monkey move body, lift weight, walk outside. Monkey write plans. Monkey learn skills. Monkey build routine. Small actions, every day. No drama, no hype. Monkey does not chase pleasure. Monkey chases progress, and pleasure follows. Stop